everyone, this is Python Pop, a series of quick videos explaining different Python functions and commands. And today what I want to go over is just a basic example of list comprehension. So let's start with an easy way to get a list of even numbers. Well, we can just use a for loop for that. So I'm going to say that some num list, I have to set it as some empty list to start so that when I do my for loop, I can append those even numbers in the number list. So I'm going to say for x in range from 0 to 10, I'm going to count by 2s. And I'm going to go ahead and append each of those values into my num list. So what we're going to get when we print this list out is we're going to get even numbers 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8, because remember this 10 is exclusive and I'm skipping by 2s. And there we have it, a list of even numbers. But this code can be written in less lines using list comprehension. So let's see how it works. Well, I'm going to make a new list called even list, and I want the same exact thing as up above. So the even list is going to be, well, with list comprehension, we don't have to start with some empty list. We're going to build that list without needing to initialize it before, because we're going to put our for loop within our brackets. So we're going to say that even list is going to have the x values. So this is very similar to numList.append x. We're putting x in our even list, and the x we want is for the x in a range of 0 to 10, counting by 2. So let's go ahead and print out this even list. And there we have it, same exact list, but I took these 3 lines of code and changed it into one line. X is in this even list for x in the range 0, 10, counting by 2s. Now, something we can do very simply is switch this to an odd list. We can say odd list is going to be, we're just going to say x plus 1 for each x that is in our even list. Because remember, adding 1 to an even number is going to give us that odd number that's directly next to it. And then we can go ahead and print out the odd list, and you'll see now we'll have 1 through 9, all of the odds. So this first part is our expression, or what we want in our list, and then the loop comes after. So these are just 2 quick examples of list comprehension. And that wraps up this video. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.